Once again, it's a good spread for breakfast with legit tamago mix. Hi! Welcome to day 4 and last day here at Fukuoka. Hindi na kami makakapaglibot. Ako pala. Kasi, malayo outlet store at shopping na naman. Ubus na yung budget ko. I only prepared 15,000 for this 3 nights 4 days trip pero over budget na ako. Apektado na yung pang-enroll ko and pang bayad ng bills. But cloudy, dapat mag-beach pero may 1.8 kasi na entrance. So, sayang lang hindi kami magtatagal. And gusto ko 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock na sa airport na ako. My flight is 8. So, yan, mag-shower na ako. I've packed my things, tapos na naka-miss and class namin. So, I'll just be carrying my hand carry, 7 kilos. Maiiwan tong gamit kasi over baggage kami ng 4 to 5 kilos. And I gotta purchase, eto na yung magiging hand carry ko. Pinagdebatihan ko pa to, wala to sa budget. But for school, there you go. Bye! Okay, so fresh from the bath and comfy clothes na hindi coordinated. Let's start our facial care with things na nakuha at nabili natin sa Japan. This is placenta extract. Hindi na ako nag-shave. Wala akong dala. So, para siyang toner na may nagpapabili. So, trinay ko lang din. And it's mura. We also have your niacinamide. Kailangan natin magmadali kasi sayang yung oras. Para pantanggal ng blemish. So, ako hindi na ako sasama sa paglilibot. I-drop off na nila ako sa train station that's going straight na from this location. Parang ano to? Munisipyo. Then, straight to the domestic airport. Tapos, meron na doon bus going to the international airport. So, eto, same brand. Maganda na to para sa eye bags, pampaputi. So, they are from the same brand. This one's placenta extract para sa mata. So, dahil tayo laging magpupuyat, so might as well protect. And since matanda na tayo, meron tayong mga CrossFit and all. And of course, to finish it off, huwag kalimutan ang sunscreen. So actually, kaya pumunta dito sa Japan because mura ang sunscreen dito. Pero sa Philippines, ito ang pinakamura pag nakabuy one take one. And okay naman siya, tinted siya. So I'm using two. One is yung dewy para medyo may pagka glistening effect or moisture. So you also put sa neck. Naglagay na ako kanina. Then, yan lang. So, this trip is really unplanned dahil nabook lang namin last June nung nag-sale. Pero may nakabook na talaga ako last year pa, Osaka. Pero mahal, parang magiging 8,000 round trip. So, I just bought my Osaka one way, 1.8. And then, magiging 5,6 plus yung papunta. Then, nag-sale ang Fukuoka. So, we got this ticket for like 3.8 lang. And then, boom! Yung kasama ko sa condo na college friend ko at kumari ko. Meron din siyang kumari dito. So, pareha kami ng inaanak. Magkumari sila. And then, we have our gracious host. Yes, patapos na ako. We're ready to go. I'm just doing my face care. Then, yun nga. So, we were being hosted by a family of 6 with the kids. And super nice kasi yung mga napuntahan namin ay, you feel like the locals. Hindi masyadong touristy. And yung schedule namin, hindi hectic. Chill lang. We can cook at home. And then, legit, authentic Japanese way of living. And then we get to enjoy also, the city life kasi nandun yung shopping. So, I'll check my balance. Hindi kasi nag-OTP yung Gcash ko. Hindi ko alam kung ba't hindi nag-work. So, I don't know yet kung pumasok na yung mga kaperahan natin. And kung meron pa tayong room para for extra shopping. So, madami nagpabili mga facial products. I'm looking for some collagen tablets or supplements. Pero yung personal supplies ko, nabili ko naman. So, konti na lang. And then, ready to go. So, it's very important that you have your sunscreen for carbon coverage. Pero, dahil haggard, and to finish it off, ay yung hair oil. But anyway, alis na kami. Bye! Good morning!
Julius Balikin. Okay, sige, sige. Ay, okay, sige, sige. Okay, thank you. Ano nangyari yung penalty mo? Ay, hindi. Akala ko meron kami penalty sa bureau.
So, I guess I was wrong. Hindi ako oriented. May libot-libot pa pala. So, right now, we're here at the beach. But, it's a bit drizzling. So, ang cute kung kainan and inuman mat lang. And then, there are people around here. So, let's make chika-chika. Let's say Ohio. Hi! Yun lang. Wala pang customer kasi nga umuulan. And the host is nice. They're speaking English. And you have here the view of the sea. Parang very may nagsisurf. Kaya nga ang datingan ay parang surf town. Pero ang lakas sa ulan. So we're gonna order. Ano order natin? And here's what we're having here. Kasi busog pa tayo. But it's raining. The sky is not blue. So let's just drink something blue. But it's clear. It's white. Hi, but it's video. So, I'm here. Thank you, team, for bringing me here.
Yes.
And having our bonding time from Comares to travel mates to
Yes.
condo
Yes.
mates and to more business partners, whatever it is.
Yes.
Kampai?
Yesterday.
Yes. Yes to Japan. Yes to Fukuoka. Yes to everything. Japan #1 travel destination. Right, Beb?
Ano ba to? We're in Kepa Island. This is Kepa Island, right? Kepa.
Kiwi.
Yeah, Kea. Sorry, it's Kea.
We're at Kia Island. So, it's like a surf town.
Yeah. Yes.
Ang vibes. Because of the activities and pero dahil umuulan, walang masyadong tao. Ambience lang tayo. Then later baka meron pa. I still have 4 hours bago ako mag-airport. Magta-train lang ako.
Kaya ba talaga?
Kaya ko yan, adventure. So first time kong mag-beach. At kung madadapuan tayo ng tubig dagat sa seaside. What seaside? Sa Dalampasigan. Sa Pampang. Of the land of the rising sun. There you go. Ay, parang malaman. Oh, mas maraming tao dun sa kabila. So, pag nagpa-surfing event sila. Parang ano din, pa-LU ang dating. Pero, mas maganda yung
Maganda
buhangin.
buhangin dito.
Yun nga. Pero kung may mga festivities, music fest, ganyan. And then, locals. It's a fun day with the kids. Walang stress, walang problema sa buhay.
Betsa takay daw.
Araw na.
Hi. 1, 2, 3, tap.
So, check natin kung meron dito sa mga panuwa. Let's find some living things. Crustaceans. Ay, nako! Award. Ay! Basta tayo. Ano ba ito? Mga mollusk. So, mabato siya. Pero clear yung water. Wet, wet, wet. Ayan, nabasa tayo. Kasi, but, yaman natin. And the pictorial is happening. Go, Chin! Ibalanse mo yung balikat mo. kakain na. Enjoy na lang. At hindi coordinated ang aking dali. Let's do comfort. Akala ko straight to the airport na. May gana pa pala. Actually, this tastes nice, but it's 4%. Ay, iba. Oh, fresh. Thank you sa mga Japan products natin. Kaya sulit mag-travel dito. Ang mura ng bilihin. Perfect lahat. And of course, mura yung ticket. Travel tax ng puno mo. Ayun na, umaaraw na. Ang nice. Dali picture. At dahil umaraw, tayo ay maghubad to bask in the sun of Japan. Taba. And here's what I got. Bloom X kasi sa tobacco filter. Mas healthier kaysa sa vape and burning your cigarette. And I love it here. So, see? Messy hair, don't care. Thanks to Fino, ang lambot. And yun lang. Ganda na ang dance. While they're having their shaved ice cream there. Ako, busog pa. Yun lang. Ang cute ng mga tao dito. Yee! Kinikilig. Anyway, bye! So yung scenery natin, away from the city and the usual tourist spots. So you have a mountainous side with the dagat. Kaya hindi nakita. We're heading now to the train station kasi uwi na ako 3 o'clock. Tapos 4, nasa airport na ako. Okay, 2:37. At aanting natin yung 2:45 na train. We're here at the train station. At ito yung tren. Papunta ng airport. So, laban tayo mag-isa. Pwede yung iKuha card. Reload ko na yung yen ko doon. Pamasahe is maybe 700 yen. Bahala na si Bat. Bye! Okay, nagamit natin yung card top. And 2:45. 3. So platform 3, track 3. This one. Perfect. So go this and where go. And platform 3, Chico line for Hakata Fukuoka Airport. Perfect. Aja, laban. So time siya. And we're here. So that's a priority city. Tayo dito. Ang tao. But at least, laban na tayo. And hindi lang tayo. Pero walang tao. We made it inside the train going to the airport. And finally rest. Bye! Okay, so as per train, its departure time is 2:45. And tama naman kasi 2:46 umalis na siya. 2:45 and we're arriving at our next station. Hindi pa nakapag-register ng mobile data, so I just texted my friend using Smart na nakasakay na ako na there's the biyahe. So, pwede matulog kasi yung airport naman is last station of the train and mga 30 minutes din to. So that's okay. We are very early for our flight because it's 7:45 and this is the view of the houses, of the scenery, of the train and the people. Perfect! We've arrived. So we're here at Fukuoka Airport already. Ano ba ito? Station 13. Yes. So, here's this station. So, tama naman tayo. Nasa red. And then, saan tayo ngayon pupunta? So, we need to exit. Going to the airport escalator and look at that. Okay, so when you're in Japan, mahirap magdala ng maleta because there's a lot of stairs and sometimes walang escalator. Dito meron sa airport. So, kailangan hand carry lang tayo. So, domestic terminal, international. Pero hanap po na ako ng restroom. Bye! And we're back. Going to the international shuttle. And success. So we'll just exit via this one, shuttle. And that's already our ICOCA card. Okay, so let's go. Pick it up. Okay. So shuttle tayo. There. Exit 1. Yay! So we're outside the domestic airport and we're gonna head out to the bus. Cargo International. Let's see what's the time. Every 6 to 7 minutes. So, bye. Success! We just boarded the bus. At balik namin yung bus dito. Ayun, Daikin. Ang magiging landmark. Mag-billboard. Bye! Time now is 4 o'clock.
For the international terminal. Regarding your baggage, we ask that you either hold on to your baggage yourself or secure your baggage using the run baggage strap. Please do not stand in the connecting vehicle section of the bus, for it is very dangerous, especially the bus is in motion. 이용해 주셔서 대단히 감사합니다. 국제선 터미널의 버스입니다. 위험하므로 수화물을 직접 가지고 계시거나 수화물용 스트랩에 고정해 주시기 바랍니다. 주행 중 차량 연료부에 서 계시면 대단히 위험합니다.
And we made it! Welcome to Fukuoka International Airport. Ito din pala yung nilabasan namin. So they are on renovation. Don't know how. Okay, wag tayong lumubay. Walang titigil hanggang hindi na uuubos ang salapi. So nandito tayo sa airport. Boarding namin gate 54. And ayan, malapit na lang. Buti na lang, andito na. Meron siya pong Joe Malone, which is mas mura dito. Kasi isa namin friend na nasa Taiwan, mas mahal na 1,000 dito. So I'm gonna buy mga 3 or 4 bottles pambenta. Yung dalawa, okay na. Yung dalawa, hindi personal use or pambenta. But, nectarine, bluebell, and English pear, and blueberry or whatever. Bye! And here's our haul. Nectarine, bluebell, sweet pear. So, 300 ml, then 130. Kumayo. Okay na yun for friends and family. Good. It's time to get home. And thank you, Sefra, for the extra leg room. So, I'm here sa exit side. Dito tayo. So, ako ang magiging taga-pagbukas. But sana wag naman gamitin. So, bye. Thank you, Fukuoka, for a wonderful experience. And just like that, we're back to Manila. Nag-Jollibee muna ako kanina, na waiting for Grab. Time now is 11:55. So, matutulog, balik sa work, and then mag-book again ng panibagong ticket for spring. Tama ba? No, for ano na, summer. Mali. Winter for January, parang spring. Bye! And now, we're back where it started. I need to do our card. Yep. Ready to go. Tired na. Matutulog na. Pasok na naman bukas. Pero, adya. New bag. Cute. Pero, yung travel bag. First use. And it's effective. Bye. Good night. So, yes, we're back in our home base, Manila. Time check, 1:45. I have work 8 o'clock. But magpapa-antok pa ako ng konti since nakatulog ako sa plane. And kumain niya ako. So let's just do some haul, ano ba? Japan haul opening, ganun. But let's set our alarm first. 8 o'clock ang pasok ko, pero gumigising ako ng 5 or 5:30. Marami pa akong energy. So, 5:30 is okay. Then 6 o'clock, alarm. Yes. At 2 phone dapat para sure. Kasi baka lubat. Kanina sa airport, hindi naman nakinilo. Pero alam kong excess ako. So, para tipid, hindi na bumili. So, let's start first with this good find. So, thank you sa mga kaibigan ko nagpabili. Dahil siya na-discover ko na mura. So, we got 4 bottles, Joe Malone, 100 ml. 2 nectarine. I got myself also nectarine because yung friend ko nagpabili ng nectarine. So, let's open. Anong meron? This is 100 ml. Oh, this is nectarine, blossom, and honey. So, super love the smell. Sweet. And then, we got my friend from Qatar. Nagpabili ng English pear and sweet pea, 30 ml. So, i-deliver nilang via LBC or something. So, another nectarine. So, 2 nectarine. One for my friend and 1 for me. And, we also have, ano daw to? Bestseller din. Bluebell cologne. Pero, bakit siya 2? So, first time ko mag-Joe Malone. I've been hearing this. Okay. Mukha lang siyang 2 kasi yung box. Ganito na. At Wild Bell and Bluebell. Mabango siya. So, next na punta ako sa Japan, bibili din ako nito. Parang, meron ako doon nagustuhan na 4 na scent. But, for me, usually, 100 ml lasts me for like 4 months. And, kaka-order ko lang din sa UAE yung mga pang everyday use. But this one, ano natin, pang matindihan, pang level up. So that's one great find in Japan kasi tax free. So let's open our donkey. Eto. Yung donkey ko, personal ko, siguro mga 10 kilos. So this is my favorite sunscreen brand sa Japan kasi mura. Pag kinonvert mo siya, mas mura pa kay Belo. Here in the Philippines, Belo. I've got some mints para sa school. Diba? Para pag sa receipt. This one for the nose. Kasi makate kapag sumusobra. Again, yung placenta extract na ginagamit ko na na-discover ko lang din. And then, pati ba naman yung pantali ng buhok. So, I'm planning to keep my hair long. Bahala na. Para mas mukha akong untidy, unkept. Para hindi ako pansinin ng mga hold-upper. Char. And then, pasalubong kung kanino man. Pang sip-sip. So, I think Darsh is sikat din. Bukas ko na aayusin to. And then, this one, it's good daw kasi nakakapate. So, pwede siya sa kilikili and singit. And, you know, gawin mo lang moisturizer. And, I just bought the naka-pouch refill kasi I've got na the yellow and the red. Pero this different naman. So, pero nagpabili yung friend ko, umabol na lang siya. So, magtigisan lang kami. Balik na lang ulit ako doon after 3 months. So, every quarter ang target mag-Japan or twice a year. And then, mornings. So, that's the first pack. And donkey there in Fukuoka, it's 24 hours. Kaya, after namin gumimik, nag-donkey kami. Pero, alam ko naman kami mga bibiling ko. Saka yun nga, minsan, yung mga pasalubong, okay, powder with SPF 50, good coverage. Yung isang ganito, naglalasa sa akin siguro mga 3 or 4 months. This is 12 grams. yung friend ko din nakasama sa condo. Bumili. Yeah, may event ako sa 23 sa mga doktor. So this will be my suhol, my dessert. Mas mura kaysa sa pastillas. And then this one, eto yung sikat na CC Milano. Vitamin C na premium. So eto yung mas expensive. Tapos, it's good kasi nakakatanggal siya ng melasma. Puti ng skin. And I'm gonna use it now because I'm excited. Pero I still have yung ano nito. Kasi this one's the premium, then the regular. Oh no! Parang ito din yung gamit ko. And ang maganda dito, compared sa mga ibang vitamin C niya nasa bottle, ito, it stays clear. White. So, tingnan mo siya. Yan. Kasi nga, hindi siya na-expose sa air. So, I use that morning and evening. So, it's good. Yeah, pansin ko naman, at least na-prevent yung mga pigmentation. And then, I apply moisturizer after. Yeah, I think bumili na ako ito. So, eto yung gamit ko. Mayroon pa akong dalawa. So, eto, nakasale ng konti. So, tatlo. Pag digsaan namin ng friend ko, ihagis ko na sa lagay ko na sa table niya. Pero for me, dalawa. Ay, tanggalin ko na yung mga box. Ano siya? Bulky. Or I even bring this to my ano na. My vanity kit pang travel. So, matcha. These are matcha caramel. So, 2 piraso. Ilan ba yung doctor na nasa event ko? 45. And then maybe I'll just mix and match this or sa secretary ng mga doctor. Kit Kat strawberry. Tapos parang sa Japan, sometimes one prefecture, they have their own what do you call that? Flavor ng Kit Kat. So, for the hair, kasi nga, gusto ko mahaba buhok, sobrang dry. Hindi ko alam kung anong treatment pang gagawin ko. Because gusto ko talaga magpa-Korean perm, but I'm thinking about it. Sayang bang pera? Kasi maintenance yun. Then, nagpabili yung friend kong doktor. Ibibigay niya din niya sa kawork niya. So, dalawa kanya. Dalawa din sa akin. And then, next time, I'll buy my pens there. Especially yung Sarasa. Parang mura doon. Plus, yun nga, at least, na-inspire ako sa school. Baby powder, but Shiseido. Ano ito naman ang call? Got also my wallet. Look at this pattern. Is it Bottega? Or this is Bottega? So, what I'm planning to do with the wallet, may wallet na akong ginagamit. By the way, this is Python. So, sinerch ko na. I'm just not sure what the brand is. Meron pala, pero nakalagay naman. Ito pala. So, these are handmade and it's Python. That's why I bought it because it's cheap. So, may pangalan siya. Pero, hindi naman siya Comme des Garçons. What I'm planning to do with the wallets is for my pens. Para lang fashion. Pero mapupuno. My pens and highlighter. Maybe one bag, isa. And then this one, I need to fix. Pero ang mura naman kasi. Pero, yun nga, since luma na siya, kung for the sake lang ng pen ang ilalagay, dalawa highlighter. At least medyo organized. Saka hindi maglilik sa mga bags ko. But we'll see kung anong plano. But, diba, para siyang magpinsan, kambal. Anong sa atin dito? Yung sa banig. Diba? Look at that. O, diba? Sa video maganda, mukhang maayos. Pero, there's a lot of fixing to be made. And, of course, I'm gonna clean it. And then, yung sa smell. Okay. Fino. I hope it will last me for 6 months. And then my favorite, isa to sa mga tinarget ko talaga there, would be having my matcha. So I combine this with protein shake na strawberry flavor. I don't know pa. Hindi ako nakabili kasi ang bigat. And then coffee. So Bahala na. And then, another, first, and excited ako, furikake. So, I got different flavors. Like, this is seaweed and egg. So, ayun siya. Crunchy. So, sabi nila, with hot rice lang daw, you can pour it. Tapos, siguro, bili lang ako ng mga ground beef or ano. Tapos, this is, I think, salmon. Diba? Gagawin mo yung rice. It adds flavor. Then, this one, beef. Diba? Like that. And then, I'm not sure about what this is. But, furikake, napanood ko lang din sa mga video. So, na-curious ako. At wala nang laman yung bag ko. O, yan. Dust bag ng bagong tote bag na binili ko. Isa pa palang good finds in Japan that tinarget ko talaga would be madaming damit. Got pala pamigay din sa secretary ng doktor. Ramen from ano nga bang pangalan nito? Ichiran. So these are, you're going to cook it for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. But nag-hoard ako ng Pocari powder. 5 times 5, 25 pieces. Para di ba I can make my own, because sa chaser, what I do, yung ice na ilalagay mo sa drinks para hindi ka malasing because it has electrolytes. May Pocari and may juice na rin. So masarap siya. Basically, these were just my Japan haul. Kasi yung iba, dun sa 20 kilos luggage namin ng friend ko. So, unplanned yung expenses. So, problema ko ngayon yung pan-tuition. So, baka mag-installment ako ng tuition just because naubos yung pera. But, hanggang 20th naman ang enrollment at bayaran and all. Today is 15. I still have 5 days to earn and to make money. But, ayan, medyo tuloy na yung buhok ko. At least na-check ko na kung anong mga dadalhin ko sa office bukas at kung sinibigyan ko. So, yeah, that's it. Good night. I'm happy. So, the game plan is, I have classes ng Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So, I have 4 subjects. So, Saturday, it ends at 5 p.m. So, if I can book flights na around 9 p.m. onwards, darating ka sa mga bansa, madaling araw, kape-kape, tapos diretso ka na kung may tutuluyan ka or whatever it is, I can manage. So, meron kang Sunday maglibot, Monday, Tuesday, and then balik ka ng Wednesday ng tanghali. So, that's the game plan if may budget. So, yun lang. Drink your water before sleeping.